Today we're looking at a classic home in El Poblado, La Calera. This house is nothing but classy. Let's go look at it. Join me. Let's go. Check that out. That's the kitchen back there, dining room. We have an office library space right here. Perfecto. And look at this beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous, classic living room. It's just perfect. Now, this is just a grand home all the way around. Library, beautiful, beautiful office library. Just check it out. Check that out. It's so classic. It's just gorgeous. I don't really show that much, but it's got parking for 3 cars. Perfect. Powder room, beautiful. Check out this finishes. It's just gorgeous. So, we're going to the second floor right now. Check this out, beautiful. We have right here. That's the master bedroom. This is the waiting room and the master bedroom. This is beautiful. Check that out. Beautiful spaces. Check this out. It's gorgeous. Beautiful spaces. If you guys want more information about this and other properties, please let us know. My name is Thomas from Real Estate Medellin, here to give you the best service.